my name is Larry Wolf, National Training Manager for Regency Fireplace Products. I'm here to talk to you today about how to clean the glass on your Regency 1500 hybrid wood stove. The ceramic glass requires very little cleaning if you have proper combustion. The air wash that's built into this system up along here will put air down across the front of your glass to help keep some of the brown off of it. But if by chance you need to clean the glass, ceramic glass cleaner, only ceramic glass cleaner. Nothing with ammonia in it. It's as simple as applying a little ceramic glass cleaner to a paper towel. I prefer paper towels because they don't leave lint like rags do. Wipe it on. With this glass cleaner, it doesn't require any drying time. So you can wipe it on, flip your paper towel over, and start wiping it right back off again. If you have a little bit of residue on it, any non-ammonia type glass cleaner afterwards will take your lint or dust off of it. So it's as simple as that with a ceramic glass cleaner. What if you don't have any ceramic glass cleaner in the house at the time you want to clean the glass on a cold stove? Piece of newspaper, a little bit of water on that newspaper, dip it in the ash, and use that to clean your glass. Once you've scrubbed the glass with the damp newspaper, finish off once again with a non-ammonia glass cleaner. And that's all there is to cleaning your glass on your Regency F1500 hybrid stove.